For 30 days I stopped using Google completely. Every search, every question, every piece of research, every fact I needed to verify, every recommendation I wanted, all of it went through AI instead of Google. No Google search. No typing a question and scrolling through 10 blue links hoping one of them has the answer buried somewhere in a wall of text. Just AI. Directly. For everything. What happened genuinely surprised me, and it changed how I search for information permanently. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why I ran this experiment. Google has been the default way most people find information for over 2 decades. It is so deeply embedded in daily behavior that most people do not even think about it. You have a question, you Google it. Simple. But AI search tools have improved dramatically. Perplexity AI, ChatGPT with browsing, and Claude with web access all offer something fundamentally different from Google. Instead of returning a list of links and making you do the reading, they read everything and give you a direct synthesized answer with sources cited. I wanted to know whether that difference was meaningful enough in practice to actually change how I work. So I ran it properly. 30 days. No Google. AI only. The tool I used most, Perplexity AI. The primary tool I used was Perplexity AI. If you have not heard of it, Perplexity is a free AI-powered search engine that answers questions directly using real-time web data and shows you exactly which sources it pulled from. It combines the speed of search with the clarity of AI. You ask a question in natural language. It searches the web in real time. It synthesizes the most relevant information into a clear, direct answer. And it shows you the sources so you can verify or go deeper. For most searches I run in a typical day, Perplexity delivered a better answer faster than Google. Not slightly better. Noticeably better. What worked dramatically better? 3 categories improved dramatically when I switched to AI. Research and learning questions. When I needed to understand a concept or get background on a topic, AI gave me a clear synthesized explanation immediately. Google gives you links. AI gives you answers. For any question requiring understanding rather than just finding, AI wins significantly. Comparison questions. Which tool is better for this task? What are the differences between 2 approaches? Google returns review sites, sponsored content, and affiliate articles requiring you to read multiple sources and synthesize yourself. AI does the synthesis and presents the comparison cleanly in one response. Complex multi-part questions. Google struggles with questions that have multiple connected parts. AI handles them naturally. Ask a complex question with several related sub-questions and AI addresses all of them coherently in one response. What Google still did better? I want to be completely honest. There were areas where Google performed better. Local and real-time searches. Finding a specific nearby restaurant, checking current business hours, looking for live event information, Google's local search integration is still superior. The depth of local data Google has built over decades is genuinely hard to match. Visual search. When I needed to identify something from an image or find a product by appearance, Google Lens has no real AI equivalent for casual daily use yet. Highly specific technical documentation. For precise coding documentation or official specifications, Google's ability to surface the exact official page is sometimes faster than AI synthesis. The surprising discoveries. 2 things surprised me during the 30 days. The first was how much time I had been wasting on Google without realizing it. When you search Google, you click a link, scan the page, realize it is not what you needed, go back, try a different link, find it behind a paywall, refine your search, and repeat. This process happens so automatically that most people do not notice how long it actually takes. AI removes this entire loop. The answer is in the response. The time saving is real and cumulative. The second surprise was how much better AI handles follow-up questions. When you search Google and want to go deeper, you start a completely new search. When you use AI and want to go deeper, you just ask a follow-up in the same conversation. The AI already has full context of what you were researching. The conversation builds naturally. This conversational search experience feels genuinely different from anything Google offers. The permanent change after 30 days, I did not go back to Google as my primary search tool. For the majority of my daily information needs, questions, research, comparisons, explanations, and learning, Perplexity AI is now my first tool. It is faster for most tasks. It delivers better answers for complex questions. Google remains my tool for local searches and highly specific technical documentation where its index depth is genuinely superior. And the conversational follow-up makes deep research significantly more efficient. The experiment did not kill Google for me, but it demoted it from default first tool to specialist tool for specific use cases. That is a significant shift I did not expect to make permanent after 30 days. Your action plan starting today. Go to perplexity.ai and create a free account today. Use it for your next 5 searches instead of Google. Pay attention to how long it takes to get a useful answer compared to your usual Google experience. Give it 1 week before forming a conclusion. The behavior change feels slightly uncomfortable for the first few days because the Google habit is so deeply embedded. By day 7, the conversational search experience will feel completely natural. What question would you search first using AI instead of Google? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this experiment made you want to try replacing Google yourself, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.